In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change ringtone on your iPhone 8 Plus to a song. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a very simple method that allows you to set a ringtone to any song that you have on your iPhone 8 Plus. You will be able to do this using GarageBand. This should be a default application that comes pre-installed with your iPhone model. However, if you don't see it, go over to the App Store and download GarageBand. For this video, I'm going to assume that you already have the specific song that you want to use as the ringtone downloaded. If you don't, then you need to find a way to download the song in a format like MP3. Once you have the song downloaded and GarageBand is installed, open it up and you will be able to browse through various categories or various options to create new songs. Go over to Audio Recorder. When you are inside of Audio Recorder, you will be able to tap the icon at the top left to see the timeline. So when you are in this timeline view, you will be able to upload the track that you have downloaded. So go over to the audio files on your iPhone. You will usually be able to find it under albums, and then you can drag and drop it into the timeline. Now, what you have to do is trim the ringtone. It cannot exceed 30 seconds, so just drag the edges of the song and make sure that it is a little bit shorter. You can choose a specific part of the song that you like or customize it however you wish. So once you have it set up on the timeline, go over to the icon at the top left, then you should see your song there. You have to now export it. So tap Select at the top right, choose your song, and then tap the arrow at the top left once again to share the song. Once you choose the option to share or export that song, you can select the ringtone category at the bottom. When you choose ringtone, you are now good to go. If you go over to the settings and you access the ringtone category inside of sounds and alarms, you will be able to choose it from the list of available ringtones. And with this done, you will be able to use it as the new ringtone on your iPhone 8 Plus. I hope I was able to help you on how to change ringtone on iPhone 8 Plus to a song. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.